How it looks like once you have connected the CdConnect Bluetooth for SAAB. This is on my iPhone. You'll find it like this, and then just press on it and it will connect. Connected. So here I'm on my Spotify again, connected. I press on some music. Let's shuffle. And we have increased the volume on the stereo now. And it's playing. And I can increase the volume on my phone as well. Perfect. And we had the question, what happens if someone calls me? So now Johan will call me. And we can see that the signal is coming through the phone. That's it, if I answer here. So, that's how it works.